Very good morning, my friends. How are you? Hope you guys are doing very well, and welcome on this new deal of the day video from Extreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. So actually, regarding the deal of the day today is going to be on the Euro AUD. And by the way, last deal of the day, it was also on the Euro AUD, and here it is. As you can see, my friends, I have sent the signal that we can sell at 1.62711. This was the before, and here is how did the signal went, or sorry, how the signal go. As you can see, the sell actually it just reversed like 3 pips before reaching our sell level. Still, I believe it was a valid deal, and in my opinion, it has been triggered for so many of you, and it has went all the way reaching the target level. Fantastic and very great deal, and I'm very glad for those who have actually entered it. Now we are still with the Euro AUD. Right now, as you can see, my friends, if we go to the daily chart, on the daily chart we can see a very strong bearish momentum for the Euro AUD. It seems like the AUD itself is gaining some strength, and therefore we can expect from the Euro to continue the fall upon that pressure from the rise. Now we can see that the pair on the daily chart is facing also a strong key resistance level, and the Euro AUD on the daily chart is approaching that level. Let me now move to the 4-hour time frame. Now on the 4-hour time frame, this is actually one of the perfect setups. As we can see, that is my strategy, by the way. We need to look for a strong bearish breakout candle and look for the strong key resistance level, and here it is. So as we can see, we also had here a small attempt of a support. Now listen, now pay attention to this. We had here a strong key resistance level. However, once that resistance has become a small support, it was actually a very small tiny support. I mean, it wasn't even a key support level, which means the market has actually immediately broke out from that level, and right now it's getting ready for another rally. So this market here, this price is gonna be respected as a resistance again. It's a very weak level as a support, but it's actually much stronger as a resistance. As you can see, the pair right now is rising, so therefore let me rush with the sell level. Let me just tell you exactly where we can start shorting the pair, exactly right here. I think it's just like 20 pips far away from our entry. So therefore we can sell the Euro AUD today on 1.61791. And the target, of course, the target actually we can expect from the market to continue the fall all the way till it reaches that support level right here. As we can see, my friends, we are having here already a support number 1, which was previously also a support level. So that's going to be the nearest level for our entry. Therefore, the target will be, take profit level is going to be 1.60523. The stop loss, of course, because we are depending on that resistance level, if the candle is ever going to be able to reach above this level, it actually might go right here to create a resistance number 2. Because right here we're having resistance number 1. So the highest that the candle can go to is going to be right here exactly at the resistance number 2. If it goes any higher than that, then the signal is no longer valid. That being said, our stop loss has to be placed just a little bit above that resistance level, which means our stop loss is going to be on 60 pips. So therefore, stop loss is going to be 1.62393. However, we always have to keep in mind that we are having right here also a resistance level. And you might tell me, but Salah, your stop loss is exactly on the resistance. Let me tell you something. We are having also right here a resistance trend line, just like that. So if the candle is gonna actually break out from that resistance right here and continue the rise again, most likely it won't reverse here, because actually it has made a major breakout from that resistance trend line, and most likely it's gonna actually continue climbing its way. That's the reason my stop loss is exactly right here, because I really don't think that the candle can reverse right here. The maximum where the candle can reverse at is going to be exactly right here. But however, I still believe this is going to be a fantastic entry, and hopefully, guys, we will make good profits out of it. Of course, in the end of this video, I just need to remind everyone, this signal is my own thoughts, my own analysis, and my own opinion. It's really up to you how to handle it. Don't blame me for any losses, for any potential losses might happen because of this signal. It might go wrong, it might go correct. However, it's really up to you, and you are taking the full responsibility for the results of using this signal. Please use it under your own responsibility, my friends, and be sure you are having a dedicated amount that you are going to invest on this deal. So in the end, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.